What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy John B. Come back to you guys with a brand new haircut tutorial. Here I'm doing a full service haircut on my boy Adrian. He's getting his shampoo done right now, as you guys can see in the video, and I'm gonna be doing his eyebrows at the end of the video. So watch this whole video throughout, because I'm gonna be explaining what I'm doing very specifically. So here for his shampoo, I'm actually using Elegance shampoo. It's really good in my opinion, and it smells really good. But I'm using Lay Right conditioner because I like how it smells too. Yeah, so that's what I usually use. And I shampoo his hair because this dude loves coming in the shop with bad hair. And all you barbers out there know the most irritating thing when clients come in is when they got hat hair, bad hair, or product in their hair. Those are the worst things. So here, after I give him a shampoo, I like to blow dry his hair and get it all ready for the haircut, because you know what I mean, you can't cut hair wet. So just blow drying and styling it, getting it ready. Real quick, I want to give you guys a shout out. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. I can't believe how fast this pace is going. I'm so thankful for that. All you guys DMs that you guys DM me for, just thank you guys so much for that. And today I went live on YouTube and I had a hella of people watching, and I'll be doing that more often, so stay tuned. Turn on that post notification if you guys haven't already, because I'll be hitting that YouTube live more than often. I've been going on Instagram live, but it's not as popping as YouTube is. So stay tuned for more of that. And here I use my anti-tail liners to make my first bald guideline, and I go with the shavers. And when you're going with the shavers, please be careful not to go too high up to that first guideline. That step is really important, to not go too high. And I'm using my Oster Fast Feeds here, zero gap, and I'm gonna be showing you guys a different way of fading. Again, I know you guys always wonder why I use so many different steps, but it's just try to teach you guys that any step you use, as long as it comes out good, that's all that matters. So I go with the no guard open, and then I go with the number 1 guard open. Make that guideline, don't blend nothing yet, just go with the 1 guard open. And now here I'm going with a 2 guard open, and I'm gonna be blending all the way up without blending that last guideline. So as you can see, just blend all the way up and then work your way down. So the lower you go, the more you close the clipper. So at its highest point, it's at a 2 guard open. So I'm gonna slowly go to a 2 guard close, and then snap back on the 1 guard, and it'll be 1 guard open, and slowly go to number 1 guard close. And after that, 0 guard open, 0 guard close. And after that, the final step is to blend that last guideline. You see I'm doing right now, blending that last guideline, playing with that lever, using the corners. I don't know how much times I gotta stress that. I know I sound like a broken record because I say that on all my videos, but that's just how you should be cutting hair. You can see here I'm not even using the full blend, I'm just using the corners, because this dude, my boy, he has a lot of dips in his head, and you're gonna run into clients with a lot of dips. So use that corner of the blade. And as you can see, this is sped up, but I can actually I got this technique down to the point where I can do a fade or half of his head in like 5 minutes or less. So after you take out that bottom guideline, you're gonna still see some dark spots depending on how well you blended it. So you're gonna have to either snap on the 0 guard or the 1 guard. So I'm just doing the same thing on this side. I'm just gonna speed it up for you guys. And while this haircut is going down and you guys can see it, I got some ideas coming up for you guys for the month of December. I have a really big idea. It has nothing to do with barbering. It has everything to do with giving back, and just trust me on this, guys. You guys are gonna want to stay tuned, so please hit that subscribe button. I got hella ideas coming up, and trust me on this, you guys are not gonna want to miss out on this. I'm really excited for this. And if you guys have any suggestions on what you guys want me to do for future vlogs or haircut tutorials, don't be afraid to DM me on Instagram or comment down below. I try to reply to every single person. I reply to every single DM I got. And as long, it doesn't even have to be with barbering, it can be with anything that's going on with your life. If you need someone to talk to or whatever, I got you. Trust me, I'm there. I'm a real genuine person, and I'll be there. You know what I mean? So like I said, this YouTube channel isn't just for barber tutorials. This is my channel, my life. And everyone tells me like, oh, you should take off that video, this video on your YouTube. I told them no, because you know what, I'm gonna be, when I made this channel, I told myself I was gonna be the realest person, that I'm just gonna be me. I'm not gonna try to hide anything from you guys. So trust me on that, guys. You're gonna really want to watch this next ending of this year. So here I'm folding the hair down and I'm using this freehand technique. Trust me, this wasn't as easy as when I first started doing this technique. My hands were shaking. I'm sure everyone's hands were shaking. But when you're doing that freehand technique, use your pinky to kind of glide your hand on the client's head. But like I said, be careful, be very careful. When I first started doing that, I was really hesitant, and I just had to keep practicing. And sooner or later I got it to the point where it doesn't even affect me. I can do it easily. Now moving on to the lineup, he's just getting a regular lineup. He doesn't have the sharpest front hairline, but it's all good because not everyone has. And so usually when I'm cutting his hair at the end, we don't really style it, but I just told him, look, I'm just gonna slap on some gel just for the video. He said whatever, it's cool. It's my boy Adrian. I met him at the shop. He was a client and he just happened to just become one of my really close friends. So don't stop watching yet, because we still got to get to the eyebrows. So when it comes to eyebrows, with his eyebrows, this dude comes every week and a half to 2 weeks, so he gets them touched up like really often. So I usually go with my tail outliners to get the shape down, and I finish it off with a straight razor. But for all the estheticians watching that do eyebrows, I know shaving and raising your eyebrows aren't the best thing, but some guys don't like going to the wax spots and stuff, so they like just getting it done at the barbershop. So for his, I don't use my tail liners because his only needs a little touch up. So for some tips on eyebrows, I don't touch the top of their eyebrows too much. I barely even shape it. I just get all the peach fuzz on top. That's what I learned from doing so many eyebrows and doing my own growing up. You know what I mean? Don't try to make such a drastic change. We're lining up men here. We're not lining up females. We don't want the thinnest eyebrows in the world. It's 2018. Oh, sorry for my language, but it's 2018. Look, see, he comes every week, so you can see it's a little in shape. So I barely touch the top and I barely touch the bottom, but you can see the shape. Like, all you have to do is get the shape done and just clean up the rest of the hair. Like, it's not that hard. People try to make it such a big deal, but it's not. So hit the end of the video. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost at 3K. My goal is 5K at the end of the year. So it's your boy Jumpy. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'm out.